Welcome to another season of TurboTax Tips. Real advice for real people. Get your taxes done right anytime, from anywhere. It's a new year, which means there are some new things you need to know about your taxes, like the enactment of several new tax breaks, which we'll discuss in part 1 of What's New in 2026. But first, let's cover some basic filing information. For instance, the tax return you'll file in 2026 is for the 2025 tax year, meaning it's for income you earned in 2025. The IRS usually starts accepting returns in January, and you'll have until April 15th to submit them. However, you can get an extension if you need more time. As for what's new this year, perhaps the most noteworthy change is the creation of 4 new tax deductions for the 2025 to 2028 tax years. The first new deduction is for tip income. If you qualify, you can deduct up to $25,000 of the tips you received at work in 2025. The second new deduction is for overtime pay. Eligible workers can deduct up to $12,500 of overtime, or up to $25,000 for married people filing a joint return. With the third deduction, if you're at least 65 years old, you can now claim a deduction of up to $6,000. If you're married and your spouse is also 65 or older, you can claim up to $12,000 if you file jointly. And with the fourth deduction, if you took out a loan in 2025 to buy a new car, van, truck, or motorcycle, you may be able to deduct up to $10,000 of interest paid during the year on the loan. To qualify for the deduction, the vehicle's final assembly point must be in the U.S. All 4 deductions are available whether you itemize or take the standard deduction. However, they're also reduced potentially to 0 if your income is too high. That's all for today. Remember, with TurboTax, our easy process takes the guesswork out of filing your taxes. For more information about deductions and other topics, visit TurboTax.com. And don't forget to tune in for another episode of TurboTax Tips, because doing your taxes is easier than you think.